Welcome to Toyota 101, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with keyless entry, electronic stability control, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, outside temperature display, tire pressure monitoring system, 8-speaker audio system, air conditioning, AM/FM CD MP3 audio system, traction control, and has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. For over 30 years, Toyota 101 has been your locally owned and operated Toyota dealer and a strong supporter of our community. At Toyota 101, we never charge over MSRP, and we guarantee true, transparent pricing. We also have made it possible to purchase your next vehicle completely online with our Smart Path. At Toyota 101, we aim to deliver customer experiences that are second to none every time. So when you're ready to buy, sell, or service your next vehicle, shop local, in-store, or online at Toyota 101.